Black Lake is one of the most beautiful places to visit in Pucallpa. This day was special for us because we were visiting with our family, ready to spend time together in nature. The journey to the lake was peaceful and full of beautiful scenery. The road was a little rough in some places, but the calm surroundings made it all worth it. Along the way, we passed just a few houses, trees everywhere, and quiet atmosphere that felt very relaxing. As soon as we arrived, we were amazed by the beauty of Black Lake. The water looked clean and calm, and the entire place felt peaceful and welcoming. It was the perfect spot to relax and enjoy nature with family and friends. As evening came, time felt like it passed so quickly. The peaceful atmosphere, the gentle sounds of the lake, and the cool breeze made everything feel perfect. Those few hours felt like only a few minutes. It's perfect for families, friends, and anyone looking to relax and enjoy nature.
River or lake. There will be another flight. Enjoy their Sunday.
We would love to come back again if possible. This place gave us beautiful memories, and we're grateful we could share this experience together. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this peaceful journey to Black Lake.